It's the end of the year, and I finally finished my Ephemera madness. Hello, welcome in. I'm Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories. Like I said in the beginning, today is the last day of Ephemera Madness 2025. We're going to be picking the winners this year. And also, sadly, I like to announce that this is going to be my last year of hosting Ephemera Madness. I have tons, this is just from this year, of all kinds of ephemera that I created, and I still have the shoebox half full from last year's Ephemera Madness. So I'm going to take a break for a while because I have all the ephemera that I need. So thank you everyone for participating. But I want to get into the last prompts of this year, and for December was fantasy and black and white. So I started off with envelopes that I've thrifted, and I think I showed those off. I got a whole box of them for like $1. So I wanted to do something with these. So I went ahead and did the stamping in the black and white and just did a different types of stamping, and then I did some stenciling here. So we have some script, flowers. I used different household objects in the back, some little paint splatters. And then I used a couple fantasy images from my mermaid cut and collage book. And so this could be used as a big old pocket. You can glue it down in your journal on the back side and just keep this whole piece as a pocket, or you can use it as an insert to stick into a pocket, or even take this little flap, glue it here, glue that down, just that flap down, and then you'll have like a little flip flap page. That's always interesting and fun. And then playing around with more of the envelopes, because I did a couple of them, I cut these down, made them into little pockets, and I had already did the stamping and stuff. So then I went into my cut and collage books and found these nice black and white images that just look gorgeous. I love how these came out. And then for a little touch of pizzazz, I put these like little gold stars on there. I think they really add a nice little elegant touch to these. I think these might be some of my favorite items I've made this year. And then the last two items I created, I was watching Bexx at Black Whisper Crafts, and she was making these things called apertures, where there's the back page, like this is on a regular page, and then I took a piece of another page, this one is music, and just tear out the center, and then you put an image in the back, and then I collaged in black and white, added some gold stars, like the constellations, and oh my gosh, these colors and images just go so well together. It looks so elegant. I love it. But I'm going to leave Bexx's video that she made in the description, in the description, so that you guys can go and click on it, because she did a whole tutorial on how to make these, and hers came out super cute too. So thank you, Bexx, for the inspiration. And the same thing with this one, just came out of the mermaid, and this one came out of my mermaid cut and collage book. Just added a few little items there. So cute and like elegant. I love that. So far, I have 2 items I'm going to be giving away. This one is a little journal. I can't even speak. And it's filled with a bunch of different types of little ephemera that I've made this year from the prompts. So they're super cute. I love it. You can do whatever you want with it. Just take the ephemera out, use the pages as pockets or something in another journal. I mean, up to you what you do with it when you win it. But I just want to show you guys, again, some of the cute items in there. And it's pretty chunky. It's a pretty chunky little mini journal. And then also inside here, this was gifted to me by Christine at Kawaii Memo Love, and I've been hoarding them forever. But I thought it'd be really cute to go on here with this charm I made. Well, charm dangle to go on your Christmas, junk journals, mini albums, whatever you like. And I used a bunch of items that were gifted to me, I think, from last year's Christmas for that. And I'm probably going to add something else too. I'm not sure what yet. But my plan is to get this mailed out by the end of January. Let's go ahead and shake it up. I've been collecting everyone's names in here that has participated. So good luck, ladies. And gentlemen, in case. I think it was just ladies, though. Oh, here's one. And our winner is Junk Journal Diva. Yay! How exciting, Rhonda. Please, I think I do have your email address. Just email me and let me know if your address and stuff is still correct, because I know I have on file for you, and I'll just mail it out. But I'm so excited. Yay. Thank you to everyone for participating this year. And if any of you want to like take the hashtag and do like Ephemera Madness 2026, please be my guest. I don't think I'm going to do it anymore, honestly. I have enough ephemera, and I have journals planned out for this year. I have a lot coming up. We're going to be doing more arts and collage and jelly printing. I'm going to have another book coming out next year, another cut and collage book coming out. So I have a lot of fun things coming up. We're going to continue this Sunday with the beginner's collage course. We're going to be doing vision boards. Since it's the new year, I figure what's better than creating a collage vision board. So I will see you guys this Sunday for that. And until next time, bye.